Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the hybrid project management. Friend, today's topic we have taken it from the PMBOK guide, project management body of knowledge 7th edition, and this is a very good topic, and we must have to know about this topic, especially if you are a student of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP. So this is a important topic and you will see this topic in the exam especially. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Hybrid project management. First of all, the whole topic is basically based on project management. Now hybrid, what does it mean by hybrid actually? Basically hybrid, it means the combination of both waterfall or traditional project management and the agile based approach. Like for example, friend, try to understand from the concept here. Basically nowadays the two popular approaches, one is the traditional project management approach, the waterfall approach, okay. The second one is the agile or a scrum based approach, okay, to manage the software based project. So hybrid project management means basically the combination of both the waterfall approach, the traditional project management, and the agile based approach. Now what is the waterfall approach? Waterfall approach is the traditional approach in which we do all the things in sequential way, like planning, development, testing, and production deployment, okay. So if we talk about waterfall, we cannot go back in the previous stage. We have to complete one stage of a project and then we will start the next phase. Like after completion of planning, we shall start the development. After completion of development, we shall start the testing, okay. So this is the way, this is the methodology which we used for waterfall. The next another approach nowadays which is very common is the agile approach. Agile means the iterative approach. Iterative means that the main focus is on the customer feedback. We do the project management of software development by getting the feedback, and iteration based approach is there. Like we do the iteration, like for example, if there are 40 tasks in a project, let's suppose. So what we do, like we divide the project into multiple chunks, like each chunk or sprint will contain of 10 tasks, and with each sprint or with each iteration we complete the task step by step, okay. And we can go back, we we accommodate the changes, we do the collaboration. So the main concept is that it is not a basically sequential or phase wise approach, it is basically iteration based approach. With each iteration the product become more mature, and till we reach the last iteration the project will become completed. Also with each iteration we are giving the product in chunks to the customer as well. So customer is getting the feedback or customer getting the things at a very early stage. Now the goal of the hybrid project management, what is now hybrid? Hybrid is a combination of both waterfall and the agile based approach. So the goal of the hybrid project management is to blend both approaches to get rid of their weaknesses. By definition, hybrid project management is the practice of mixing agile and the traditional waterfall project management elements to create a custom approach actually. Now why we have to use the hybrid project management if we have already separately waterfall and agile approach is available? Hybrid project management, also called structured agile approach, works for every kind of project and every type of team. Blending agile and waterfall makes it easier to adopt throughout your project. Your team work more efficiently. Hybrid works the way projects are actually run. Oftentimes not all deliverables are fixed and defined. Cost and resources may not be fully thought out or dedicated when you start. Being able to apply agile to uncertain aspects and water to fixed deliverables means having a flexible project that better built for success. Basically, friend, why it is necessary whenever you are executing a project, sometimes it is good to use the waterfall approach, sometimes it is good to use the agile approach. So basically using both approaches together, okay, try to understand the concept here. Try to use both approaches in the project wherever it is suitable. Actually, as a project manager you should have to know that which approach is better in which cases. Now who uses the hybrid project management? The hybrid project management is widely used by companies that see the benefits of agile but would struggle with a fully agile approach, okay. A company called Atacon used a hybrid approach to develop Sage Publishing's new website. They needed to migrate 1,000 journals across systems, which was a big task. So basically, this organization has used both approaches, waterfall and the agile and hybrid approach basically, and it successfully implement the project as well. Now, finding the right approach. Right approach means that how do you know that where you have to use the agile approach, where you have to use the waterfall approach. So basically, hybrid project management looks different for every team that uses it. There are few ways you can mix your methods. Mix agile and waterfall teams. Use agile for some phases and waterfall others. Use a consistent hybrid approach with elements of both agile and waterfall. Okay, so this is the first thing. Then build your custom approach by looking at the details of your project. The idea is to choose elements from each project management style to balance potential downsides. For example, when working on a project with multiple teams, agile creates inefficiencies. Stand-ups take hours when 29 people need to give an update, and large teams have a hard time adjusting to change on short notice. To balance that, to use some waterfall elements, make your sprints more rigid to limit change. That will allow you to have fewer in the stand-ups and get more done. Basically, friend, the concept here is that like you use the both concepts from agile and from waterfall as well. But now the thing is that you should have to use your mind that where it is good to use the concepts of agile and where it is good to use the concepts of waterfall or traditional project management. Because see, if there is a very large team, for example 30-member team and 40 team members are there, so you obviously cannot use the concept of stand up, because see, if 40 persons are standing and they are giving their updates, so obviously they cannot complete in 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. They will be require enough time as well. So basically, you have to use your sense that where it is good to use the waterfall approach and where it is good to use the agile approach. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.